The basic referral process for students who are going to qualify for services begin in the green area with an evaluation. Now, prior to the evaluation, you're going to look at that list we talked about in the very beginning of the presentation of indicators that something might be off. And depending on the school district you're in or the child care center, there is going to be a procedure set forth that you're going to determine. You're going to help us out by finding out for the school district you're interested for the referral project. But when a teacher notices there's a problem, it's their job to do a lot of documentation of what they're noticing. And usually they work with families and other teachers. But at some point, when it is determined that yes, everyone agrees there's a problem, there will be an evaluation started. Now, by law, this process must be completed in 90 calendar days. And so once that paperwork is filed and the teachers and the parents agree, an evaluation is done, usually by a psychologist, but it just depends on the student and what we're evaluating for. And then after the evaluation, we look at the results, and those results will determine if there is eligibility for the child to receive services. The services can be in the form of an IEP, an individualized education plan, or a 504 plan. That plan will determine teachers' roles in helping the student get their learning needs met. So, along with those learning needs are determining the best placement for the child. Then it's up to the teachers and specialists to plan and implement instruction to meet the child's needs. And this will be reviewed periodically through data collection, observation, probably meeting with specialists, and then either annually or every 6 months, an evaluation will be done on the child again to determine if they are making progress, if they should continue in the program, or if their goals should be even modified. So it's a big circular process, but again, the initial referral process must happen within 90 calendar days, and that helps speed up the process because 90 calendar days is actually 3 months. And 3 months of lost instruction and learning for a child is significant and can really have a lot of damage on their progress in a classroom. So 90 days is actually not even that great, but we want to make sure that they're getting through the system as fast as we can. And most schools do as much as they can to expedite the process depending on how many cases they're working on in this referral process.